She is a seasoned professional who has career spans over 40 teleserials, 16 films, and more than 19 major stage productions. An NSD alumni, Meghna Malik, has also worked in the NSD repertory company from 1997 to 1999. She has served as jury on the Indian Telly Awards and the International Emmy Award semi-finals. The Election Commission of India chose her as an icon for the state of Haryana in 2012. Meghna Malik is an avid traveler to foreign lands and loves to interact with new people and different cultures. She is also passionate about driving, is a socially responsible person, and willing to come forward for any genuine charitable cause. Thank you. So what we have as a format is basically the jury will speak first, and then
good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for coming here. 37 degrees I saw on my car, which is 37 degrees. Thank you all for coming here. And you know, I have a belief that anything that you can do more than thrice is something that you truly believe in. So this is the 6th year of this. So congratulations for doing it 6 times. First of all, to begin with, we can talk about that. And it's we've started watching some films. The first day we ended up watching like 19. Where is Upasna? Yeah, so 19 you've seen, and some really great films from all over. And you know, sexuality is something that in India as a cultural entity we don't like to talk about, let alone alternate sexuality. So it's wonderful to see so many films that deal with different aspects and stages of alternate sexuality. It's a good, fantastic window to see, you know, various moods and facets of this not so very well accepted choice in the world society. So I'm very happy that I'm watching all those films and we will know a lot more about this world. That's all. And thank you again for being here.
Ms. Malik, Shiva Malik.
I love Kashish. I've always been a part of it. You can hear me? Yeah. So there's nothing new about it. I'm part of the queer community as a parent. Now, this is a chance for me to combine various aspects of my life, like my life as a filmmaker and my life as a mother and part of this community. And so thank you, Kashish, for inviting me to be on the jury. What I feel is that in my work, what I have realized is that the law is against is I can just speak. It was very sad for all of us that the Supreme Court judgment went against Article 377 was not removed and it was against our community. However, I feel that the society can move much forward, and it's the understanding of the various issues of LGBT and that the people must have. Because I feel that there are too many myths, too many prejudices, which even when the law changes, is not going to change the situation. And this Kashish is one opportunity I've always felt for everybody, whether it's film lovers, whether it's the people, all over the mainstream society, and especially the parents and families who often are confused or worried and all, for them to know more, for them to know deeply the various issues, and especially for the families and all, to feel that, oh, we are not the only ones. This exists all over in all classes, in all professions, in all countries, you know, and that would make a huge difference in future. Thank you.
It's such a privilege and an honor to be part of the jury for Kashish, because gay rights are human rights. If we discriminate against people who live within our communities, who work with us, who are part of our family, we are doing a grave injustice not only to them but to ourselves. The gay community, time immemorial, has always been known to be one of the most creative and humane, sensitive communities over the years. It has given us some wonderful works of art, of film, of poetry, of music. And the more we have festivals and events like Kashish, the more we embrace this community and we enrichen ourselves. I watched some of the movies on Sunday and it was absolutely delightful. One thing I'd like to say is that luckily and fortunately we've got over that phase where, you know, there's that nudge nudge, wink wink, we're going to see a gay movie kind of thing. There was nothing like that. These were movies about the human spirit, about issues of politics, about issues of everyday life, and that is what will slowly win people over and make them realize that we cannot discriminate against a community. And I have every hope that there will be a day soon when we will not need to have a different festival for queer people, that it will be one festival for everybody. But until then, it's a very good thing because gay people need reference points. All the films mainstream are heterosexual, art is heterosexual, literature is heterosexual, and it must be indeed a very lonely place to be gay and not have reference cultural points to live by and to share with other people. So I'm really, really proud and happy to support Kashish and the gay community in whatever way I can. Thank you.
I think most of them have said what all of us wanted to say. But I just want to thank Kashish, Sridhar and Vivek for giving me this opportunity as a filmmaker, as a storyteller, and as an artist to stand along a community which is being denied its very basic human rights. Being a Kashmiri, I guess it comes naturally to me to stand with the oppressed. And I was just browsing yesterday and just coincidentally happened to come across this quote by Bertrand Russell, the British philosopher. And it goes, "The defenders of traditional morality are seldom people with warm hearts. One is tempted to think that they value morals as affording a legitimate outlet for their desire to inflict pain. The sinner is fair game, and therefore away with tolerance." So I think it's, this whole idea of the stand against homosexuality as being a moral stand, and that homosexuals are sinners or deviants. It actually comes from this, this deep desire to inflict pain on the other. So, thank you once again, Sridhar and Kashish, for giving me this opportunity. You asked me last year, I'm sorry I couldn't be here. Thank you for giving me this opportunity once more. I'm really happy and privileged to be part of it. Thank you.
आप सब लोगों को मेरी नमस्कार और शुरुआत में मैं सबसे पहले श्रीधर, विवेक, कशिश की पूरी टीम को बधाई देना चाहूँगी. It's a massive effort. They have entered the 6th year. 180 फिल्में 44 कंट्रीज से लोगों को जोड़ना, कनेक्ट करना और हम लोगों तक पहुंचाना और हमारे देश में एक ऐसा फेस्टिवल हो रहा है. It requires lot of energy, lot of strength, and it's a very, very brave effort, I must say. And जहाँ तक कि अभी बातें हो रही थी, चित्रा जी कह रही थी कि जो राइट्स हैं और जो लीगल जो एक लड़ाई है वो तो कोर्ट रूम में चलती रहेगी, पर कशिश अपने इन फिल्मों के माध्यम से अपनी लड़ाई लड़ रहा है. और मेरी आप लोगों से मेरा यही निवेदन है कि आप अपने पाठकों तक ये जो इन लोगों ने पहल की है, हम तो साथ हैं ही, यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं जितने भी लोग हैं तो हमारा तो साथ है ही. आप लोग भी पाठकों तक ये बातें पहुँचाएं. जितना फिल्मों के माध्यम से एक सोशल अवेयरनेस क्रिएट की जा सकती है वो कशिश की टीम कर रही है, पर इसमें आप लोगों का भी एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण आप अपना अदा कर सकते हैं, अपना पार्ट जो है. And I will only say that for the honor, thank you so much. And me as an actor, I'm looking forward to these films. For me, it is a different experience of watching different emotions, different conflicts of the actors in these films. I don't think I've had such an experience before. I do have friends, but as Anubhav said, कि अलग-अलग stages, अलग-अलग aspects उनके जो सामने आ रहे हैं और हमने कुछ फिल्में देखी हैं, तो वो मेरे लिए एक नया experience है. And also a few little very time that I have spent with the fellow jury members, I'm learning a lot from them. चित्रा जी 60s की बातें करती हैं, तो वो भी मुझे इसके साथ साथ वो सारी चीज़ें भी मुझे यहाँ मिल रही हैं. So मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ बहुत बहुत Sridhar, and I wish you all the best. Vivek, I wish you all the best and your entire team. Thanks for having me here today.
Just one question before we go on to as a jury member, what are you looking for in these films? Like you will be watching almost 45 films as a jury member. What are you looking for?
I think that's what I said. As an actor, मेरे लिए एक नया experience है, पर वही बात है कि चाहे विवेक भी कह रहे थे और कि हम different हैं, पर since I'm here today, I do not even see them differently. But as an actor, I will see that the actors who are in the films, again, the same conflicts and the same emotion. Basically, they will be struggling with that. And as far as the narratives are concerned, the complexities of living that life, of struggling with their identity, of being able to express themselves. So I think that's what is going to we are going to find it, and how truly they are going to be represented in various films and in various lengths as feature or short films and documentaries.
Looking forward to seeing good cinema as I would see any other movie which reveals the human spirit, which gives me a deeper understanding of another human condition. So I'm not going to look at these films through the prism of gay films. I'm going to look at them through the prism of good cinema, they will be judged along with all the great films from all over the world that constitute the body of work that we say is great cinema. So I'm not making any concessions that they come from the gay community or anything. I think we as a people must look beyond that and judge them for their worth and compare them to the best, and I'm sure they will be.
So the films will be, all the films will be about the various issues and concerns about the LGBT community and what either their feelings or the politics or the laws in their countries, etc. So what she says is quite right. I mean, when I watch a film, I like it to be a good film. But beyond that, I also would like to see how the same concerns are expressed in various forms. I'm also looking for different forms because the content is different. And therefore, I'm hoping that it gets expressed through a variety of forms. And that's what would excite me a lot.
No, it's what Malvika said. We are looking at films purely as films. There is no discriminatory viewpoint. As far as our gaze is concerned, there wouldn't be any point in being a member of the jury if we were going down that road. So it's basically looking at films purely as films, the subject matter that they're dealing with, and basically the art of storytelling. That's about it. If they're able to tell or put their viewpoint across clearly, complicatedly, whichever way, it is just, we're looking at stories, human stories.
Ditto to my fellow journalists.
Yeah, before I open the floor to the usually सबसे ज़्यादा films तो USA से आती है. First of all, USA बहुत बड़ी country है. USA and Canada. People are still worried about. But they're not happy and exuberant, and you don't see those films. You see films which are still problematic. ऐसा क्यों हो? ये क्या है? मेरी मम्मी क्या सोच रही है? मेरे घर में क्या problem हो गई? So this is something we need to hopefully go further in terms of the way films in India are made. That is one. The second very encouraging thing about this year's festival is we have around 35 student films, from all over the world. Israel से, USA से, Canada से, Australia से. Each of these films, कुछ comedy है, कुछ drama है, कुछ tragedy है, कुछ fun element है, कुछ. I mean, there's so many different kinds of films. वही subject आप बोलते कि LGBT के बारे में कितना film बनाओगे, क्या दिखाओगे? But every film brings in such a new and different perspective. We have Priscilla, Queen of the Desert from Australia, which is one of the we are showing that, and that's a 1994 classic. It's one of the biggest drag queen flamboyant film, and we are showing a 1998 film from Australia called Head On, Kumar show में Kiska Chopra. Jai Jaikar Marathi film है. Dilip Pravalkar is acting in that. It's about Dilip Pravalkar and three hijiras who accidentally meet. क्यों मुझसे निकल के मैं अगर बच्चा गोद लेना चाहता हूँ या मेरे एक फैमिली हो, मेरा और मेरा पार्टनर का एक बच्चा हो, उससे क्या complications आते हैं? So I think these are some of the things you will enjoy watching at the festival. Festival's open on 27th. We have a wonderful opening ceremony with a lot of performances. Okay, fantastic performances. So I request all of you media persons to register and come for the opening. Registrations will be open right through till the last day. So
Excuse me. Good evening to all of you. सब लोग बाद में the media and also artists. बाद में which countries do you have maximum entrance? Of course, it is narrated. It throws some light on.
I mean, usually सबसे ज़्यादा films तो USA से आती है. First of all, USA बहुत बड़ी country है. USA and Canada makes most of the films. So we have, I think, we are showing around, I think, almost like 35-40 films from USA, the largest country. Canada is another. Sorry.
नमस्ते आप सब लोगों को. आई एम द डायरेक्टर ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग सागर गुप्ता. सो उस हिसाब से आई थिंक इस सवाल का जवाब मैं ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से दे सकता हूँ. इसके लिए सॉरी श्रीधर, सॉरी विजय जी बीच में बटन करने के लिए. लेकिन हमेशा यही होता है, बीइंग अ लार्जेस्ट कंट्री एंड लार्जेस्ट media producer in the world, US gets the biggest top notch category, but अभी एक जो बदलाव देखने में आ रहा है, आई एम पर्टिकुलरली टॉकिंग अबाउट द LGBT cinema. We are getting different kind of cinemas from various countries all around the world, and even this year, as Sridhar has mentioned, about 35 films are there from US, which includes all the short films and short narratives, documentaries, narrative features. But we also have UK coming up and Australia coming up. In fact, this year we have a country focus on Australia. So we managed to get right from the classics, as Sridhar has also mentioned about one of the iconic films from Australia about the adventures of Priscilla Queen, and Head On by Anna Kokinas, who is a very renowned Australian director. Plus we have films on sports from Australia, which is like surfing, about surfing, LGBT sports people in surfing. So there are films about that. And as returning to your question, like UK is of course coming up, and Australia is catching up with around, we have almost 18 films from Australia this year. And apart from that, we also managed to get films from difficult very difficult countries like Lebanon, and I will not know to pronounce those countries. What is that? Montenegro, like Montenegro, and even the Venezuela, like those kind of countries. जबान फिसलती है उनका नाम लेते हुए, लेकिन वहाँ से भी फिल्में आ रही हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स लाइक अ वेरी ग्रेट अचीवमेंट. अपना ढोल अपने आप पीट रहे हैं, लेकिन हाँ, ये हो रहा है.
Like the Rainbow Warrior Award will be announced on the last day of the festival, so I'll not be able to reveal that at this point in time. So we'll wait for that.
Any more questions to the jury or the? Of course not. I'd like to thank all the jury members for taking out their time and coming all the way to Town. All the media persons for being here. Please do register the
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
हो गया तुम लोगों का. चलो, हिंदी अंग्रेजी.
हम जैसे जानते हैं कि कशिश है, तो कशिश लाइक किस तरह से आप उनके साथ जुड़े हो और उसी बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे.
कुछ नहीं, मुझे श्रीधर का फ़ोन आया कि हम लोग आपको इस बार इनवाइट करना चाहते हैं, आप जूरी पर आएँ, और मैंने कहा मैं आ जाऊँगा. मैं आ गया.
जैसे जानते हैं कि काफ़ी एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी है, LGBT जो है,
LGBT
जो है वो कई सारे डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से आई है. तो
डिफरेंट
कंट्रीज से आई
हाँ
है.
हाँ हाँ.
तो आज भी देयर आर सम बैरियर्स इन इंडिया की जो यहाँ पे भी हुए हैं. तो उसमें बैरियर्स है जनरेशन को लेके, जैसे सेक्सुअलिटी को लेके काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है.
जी.
तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाट रिएक्शन ऑन इट?
व्हाट्स माय रिएक्शन ऑन?
जैसे जानते हैं कि
मैं पूछती
जी.
मतलब भारत के अगर देखा जाए तो इन लोगों की तरफ देखने का नज़रिया काफ़ी गलत भी रहा है, कहीं जगह पर अच्छा है, अलग अलग तरीके की रिएक्शंस हैं। इस फिल्म फेस्टिवल में आप बतौर जूरी जा रहे हैं, तो क्या क्या अलग अलग चीज़ें देखने को मिली हैं? क्या आपका भी देखने का नज़रिया जो है उसमें बदलाव हुआ है? जैसे कि बताया जा रहा है अलग अलग एज ग्रुप के भी लोगों की ये कहानियाँ बता रही हुई है सारी फिल्में, तो आपका नज़रिया किस तरीके से बदला है? क्या नया आपको इस फेस्टिवल के ज़रिए देखने को मिल रहा है?
देखिए, अगर हिंदुस्तानी समाज की बात करें तो हमारे यहाँ सेक्सुअलिटी के बारे में बात करना, इवन मर्द औरत जो ट्रेडिशनल सेक्सुअल रिलेशनशिप है उसके बारे में भी बात करना एक टैबू है, बात करते नहीं हैं। और हम इस वक्त ऑल्टरनेट सेक्सुअलिटी की बात कर रहे हैं तो वो तो बिल्कुल ही और भी ज़्यादा टैबू है। ये कोई नया फिनोमिनन ऐसा कोई हुआ नहीं, ये आपके समाज में मतलब हज़ारों साल से है, ये आप अपने इतिहास में पढ़ सकते हैं। उसको बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट वैसा भी मैं अनफॉर्चुनेट मैं छोटे शहर का हूँ तो मैंने देखी है ये चॉइस लोगों की अपने गिर्द। फिर मैं बड़े शहर में आया तो वहाँ ज़्यादा ओपनली देखा लोगों के में ये समाज को ये एक्सेप्ट कर लेने की ज़रूरत है कि ये एक सेक्सुअलिटी की लोगों की चॉइस है जो वो उसको प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और हमको उसका सम्मान करना चाहिए। जैसे हम लोग अभी मैं सुन रहा था बार बार लोग बात करते हैं ये लोग डिफरेंट हैं, वो खुद भी कहते हैं मैं डिफरेंट हूँ, मुझे समझ नहीं आता। कुछ लोग दाढ़ी रखते हैं, कुछ लोग दाढ़ी नहीं रखते, तो वो भी डिफरेंट है ना। कुछ लोग सर के बाल मुड़ा लेते हैं, वो भी डिफरेंट है। बट सेक्सुअलिटी को लेकर के हम लोग थोड़ा गॉसिपिंग करते हैं, इसलिए शायद इतनी बात। मुझे लगता है एक वक्त ऐसा आएगा हमारे समाज में जब हम इससे आगे निकल जाएंगे, जैसे बहुत सारे समाज दुनिया में निकल गए हैं। तो जैसे श्रीधर बोल रहे थे कि हिंदुस्तानी फिल्में आज भी कुंठा के बारे में बात करती हैं, जबकि विदेशी फिल्में LGBT कम्युनिटी के बारे में वो रिश्तों के बारे में ही बात कर लेती है। मतलब दे कैन मेक अ कॉमेडी अबाउट टू गे पीपल एंड नॉट डिस्कस द बैरियर्स एट ऑल। आई थिंक इंडिया विल गेट देयर, द सोसाइटी विल slowly kind of more casually accept it.
क्या अनुभव भी आने वाले समय में ऐसे किसी टॉपिक पर फिल्म बनाना चाहेंगे? जैसे आप देख रहे हैं अलग अलग, जैसे आपने कहा कि आज तक इंडिया में जितनी भी फिल्में बनी हैं वो इसकी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात करते हैं। क्या इस फेस्टिवल के बाद आप भी कुछ सोचेंगे इस तरीके की फिल्म बनाने की या ऐसा टॉपिक छेड़ने की जिसके बारे में भारत में पहले से ही इतनी सारी गलतफहमियां हैं?
मुझे पता नहीं, अभी तक मेरे दिमाग में ऐसी कोई कहानी नहीं है, और कोई ऐसी एक मोमेंट या ऐसा कोई रिश्ता जो मुझे ऐसा इंस्पायर करे कि उस बारे में फिल्म बनानी चाहिए तो मैं ज़रूर बनाऊँगा। I don't think you have a switch or a dial that you can suddenly crank it up and change it. Yeah, the society will slowly get more casual about it. A mother will get more okay about her daughter coming and telling her I am gay, and she'll say okay, so who do you love? And slowly that will happen. You can't crank it up and one day just change it in the society, and it's happening. And I think the law and the all those things also need to stand by. They should not just shut their eyes to a reality. Yes, we are too hypocrite to accept, especially sexuality. And I'm in shock that they say it's a criminal act, but they can live and they can have a film festival. It is a height of hypocrisy. I don't understand what it is. So yeah, I hope someday some good coffee is served in some courtrooms and they smell it well.
But do you think it's that easy?
What is that easy?
About this kashish. 337 तो रखा ही गया है.
377
आर्टिकल अभी भी है वो.
जी.
So do you really think कि इतना easy रहेगा ये कशिश के थ्रू ये मैसेज पहुंचाना लोगों को?
कशिश अकेला नहीं चेंज कर देगा. A whole lot of efforts need to be made, and slowly it will change. Of course it will change. But yeah, one film festival can't individually, independently change society or laws or constitution. But yeah, voices get together and they speak and things happen.
Thank you. क्या सिलेक्ट करना है, कोई ऐसी प्लानिंग करी है कशिश मूवीज़ में? आप लोगों ने कुछ प्लानिंग्स की है मूवीज़ को लेके?
नहीं, देखिए वो तो कैटेगरीज बनी हुई है, तो प्लानिंग तो कैटेगरीज में रही है, पर जब तक हम देखेंगे नहीं, प्लानिंग कुछ नहीं होता है. इट इज़ अ स्पॉन्टेनियस रिस्पॉन्स एंड वी ऑल टुगेदर वॉट एवर वी सी, जो भी देखा जाएगा, चाहे वो शॉर्ट फिल्म है, नैरेटिव फीचर है, शॉर्ट नैरेटिव है, डॉक्यूमेंट्री है, शॉर्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्री है. सो दोज थिंग्स आर प्लान्ड फॉर अस बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स. But as far as we are concerned, we are just going to go with the flow of the entire festival.
जैसे हम जानते हैं कि दूसरे देशों में भी ये पिक्चरें आई जाएगी, दूसरे देशों से भी पिक्चरें बनी हुई है, शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बनी हुई है, और कहीं ना कहीं इंडिया आज भी पीछे है उन सब चीज़ों को लेके कि दूसरे देशों में लोग इजीली बातें कर सकते हैं किस एंड ऑल थिंग्स को, बट इंडिया आज भी उतना डाइवर्स नहीं हुआ है. तो लाइक उसको लेके आप लोगों का क्या रिएक्शन है?
आपको किसी को पूछिए, आप लोगों का मतलब everybody start speaking at one
No,
time.
actually I want everyone's reaction.
That is very, it will take too long, no? Like ask somebody, ask Amir or ask somebody.
The question was that how do we in India, how backward or regressive are we? We are very, but I think festivals like this will address that issue and take us one step closer to the required goal, which is dignity for everybody, regardless of what their sexual orientation, their caste, their creed, their color. It's just part of a human, it's a plateau of human rights that we are working towards, and Kashish will go one step towards that.
Okay, ma'am, my question is for you. Actually, I'm very proud of you that as a mother you supported your daughter. So how difficult it was in society to face that?
Oh, for me it was not difficult at all, because that is reality. And
Staying in the Indian culture.
I'm telling you, it was not difficult for me. No, because I don't believe in that sort of hypocrisy. So when she said, and we love her, me, her father, and the whole family and friends, we all love her. She's not different, she's the same. Isn't it? I mean, just because she's a lesbian suddenly doesn't mean that she's going to get some horns or something like that. She's the same person that she was.
And
I would still love her even if she had horns.
And considering it's not her choice, she was born
and
that
then,
way. I mean,
and
it's
being
not
a lesbian is a natural thing, and so there is nothing to be upset about it. Okay, what will other people say? Well, if you are the type of person who thinks all the time of other people rather than of your own child's happiness, then it's a different matter. Well, I don't. I think I love my child more than the thoughts about other people.
A lot of people think that it is an ailment, that it is some kind of a deformity, deviant behavior, that it can be changed somehow, surgically, medically, scientifically, it can be changed.
Or shocks they
But I
get.
think the only thing that can be changed is the way you think.
Yeah.
Because sexuality cannot be changed.
Yeah.
It is scientifically proven. It cannot
So
be changed.
I read a beautiful
Bigotry can be
quotation
changed.
which said that homosexuality is not a choice, homophobia is a choice.
Yes.
And therefore, I feel that a festival like Kashish can help people realize their all the myths, prejudices, and all the wrong ideas they have about the community. And when they get more understanding, it's not because they are doing it because they want to hurt somebody, it's because they don't have understanding, they don't have knowledge, information. And through Kashish films, they can be entertained, people can be entertained, and therefore as well as get information. And I, through this medium, I'm inviting all the family members and friends of all the LGBT people, do come and watch films at Kashish. It will make you very happy.